Get on and go with the SFB1002 belt drive indoor cycling bike. The heavy-duty steel frame construction is strong and durable. 49-pound solid chrome flywheel will spin longer and increase the stability. The handlebars can accommodate different hand positions related to the cycling movement. The belt drive mechanism is virtually silent and smooth. The heavy-duty crank will provide optimal power with every pedal stroke. Adjustable toe cages will keep feet secure and avoid slipping forward. Adjust the resistance with the micro-adjustable tension knob. Push-down brake will safely slow or stop the flywheel. Adjust seat height and move the seat forward or backwards. Get the perfect grip with the adjustable handlebars. Simply tilt and move the bike easily with the high-quality transportation wheels. Commit to get fit today with the SFB1002 indoor cycling bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.